Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. Okay, in this video, we will discuss about two materials. First, about describing processes and writing instruction. And second is describing people, things, and place. First, describing process and writing instruction. The learning materials are describing a process, using signal words, recognizing the order of process, writing instruction, and giving directions. Describing a process. Whenever you need to explain step by step order of how to make or do something, you are describing a process. When you write a process paragraph, you will need to use time order to organize your ideas. You will also need to use signal words to help the reader understand the process. Using signal words. Read the following paragraph. It tells how to make popcorn. The signal words have been left out. Write the appropriate signal words in the blanks. It is very easy to make the popcorn. First, put 3 tablespoons of oil in a large heavy pot. Second, heat the oil on a high flame until 1 kernel of popcorn pops when you drop it into the hot oil. When the oil is hot enough, pour a cup of popcorn into the pot and cover it with a lid. Next, reduce the flame to medium and begin to shake the pot gently. Continue shaking the pot until all the corns has popped. Finally, empty the popcorn into a large bowl and add melted butter and salt. Recognizing the order of a process. The sentences below describe the process of making a chocolate sundae, but they are not in the correct time order. Use the signal words to help you put the steps in the right order. 1. Chocolate sundaes are not of the easiest dessert to make. 2. First, put 1 scoop of your favorite brand of ice cream in a dish. 3. Then pour 2 tablespoons of hot fudge sauce over the ice cream. 4. Next, cover with whipped cream. And finally, sprinkle chopped nuts on whipped cream and top the whole thing off with a cherry. Writing instruction. 1. Use the shapes and lines to make a simple drawing in the space provided in the box. 2. On a separate piece of paper, write instructions to one of your classmates. Your instruction should describe how to arrange the shapes so that your classmate picture will look like yours. Be sure to write clear sentences and put them in a logical order. This will help your reader to make an exact copy of your drawing. 3. Give your instructions to one of your classmates. Tell him or her to follow them in order to make a drawing like yours. 4. Compare your drawings. Are your drawings the same? If they are not, can you decide why? Was it because the instructions weren't clear enough? Can you improve your instructions? 5. Your instructions so that they are clearer and more precise. Then copy them onto a new sheet of paper. Giving directions. When you write directions, you are explaining step by step order if how to get somewhere. The step must be clear and in the correct sequence. Study this list of useful vocabulary. Turn left or right on the left or right, across the street from, go north, south, east or west, go straight, and etc. This is my example paragraph. Coffee is a drink that is very popular with many people. Coffee usually a friend to eat bread every morning. How to make coffee is very easy. First, prepare coffee, sugar, and hot water. Next, put the coffee and sugar into the cup according to taste. Finally, pour hot water and stir until smooth. Coffee is ready to be enjoyed. Okay, let's move to the second material about describing people, things, and place. And the materials are describing people, Gusbu, write a paragraph, describing an object, what, and describing a place. Gusbu, complete the following steps. Choose someone in your class to describe. Writing a short description of the person, but do not mention his or her name. Remember to include details about height, weight, hair color, distinguishing marks, and etc. Write your description on a separate piece of paper. Give the description to your teacher. When the teacher has everyone's description, he will mix them up and give each student one of the descriptions. Read the descriptions you were given. Can you disagree this? Write your paragraph again so that it is clear. Check the punctuation and capitalization. Describing an object. This description is a text of paragraph and object so that the reader can get a shadow of the object this is being described in the text. The purpose of the description text is to provide an overview and explanation to the reader so they understand what objects are being discussed in the text. Guess what? Before writing, 1. Think of a familiar object to describe, such as a pencil, a chair, or a shoe. Next, make a list of all the details you want to put in the description. 3. Remember to include details about size, shape, color, etc. In writing process, 1. Write the description of your object, but do not mention what it is. And 2. Read the description to your classmates and see if they can guess what you are describing. Next, describing the place. The type of descriptive text we will discuss in one that describing a place, whether by tourist destination, city, or historic building. To describe, we will list among other locations, conditions, architecture or interiors, history or interesting facts about the place, and other details that may be presented either through personal experience or public view. Okay, this is my paragraph about describing people. Rizky is my cousin. He is 19 years old and now studying at Gunadarma University. His full name is Rizky Arya Danesa. He is often called Rizky. He and I were raised together because our birth difference was only 5 days. Rizky has a tall and slightly bulky body. His height is 180 centimeters. He has curly hair, brown eyes, curly eyelashes, and a sharp nose. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.